Hello, good, hello, hello everyone. How are you all? I hope all you are doing great. I am also doing great. And first of all, happy Diwali to all of you guys, and happy Sohrai to all of you. So, this is the festival we call Diwali. In my traditional, we call Sohrai Parab because I am belong to the Santhali tribe, and there are a lot of tribes. They are observe this festival. The other people are called the Diwali. We are called this festival like as a Sakrat. Sorry, Sohrai. So Sohrai, I would like to tell you. I want to tell you some information about Sohrai. And Sohrai is one of the most important and traditional festival celebrated by the Adivasi tribal, as I am belong to a Santhali community such as Santhali community Munda, Ho, Oran and Kharia people in like Jharkhand, Odisha, West Bengal and Chhattisgarh. So basically it is a harvest and thanksgiving festival dedicated to cattle and nature, because in tribal life animals are not just helpers, they are part of the family. The meaning and purpose of this festival, the main purpose of this festival is to show gratitude to cattle for helping in the farming and daily work. People bathe their cow and bulls, decorate them with the colors and feed them specially food. It's a way to thanks the mother nature and all living being for their support and blessing. So when it is celebrated, Sohra is usually celebrated in the month of Kartika, like October to November. So as you all know, this is going on the October. Today is 21st October. So just after the harvest, when the new paddy or rice crop is brought home. So how it is celebrated? So houses and village are clean and decorated. Women paint beautiful design and symbol of wall. This is known as the Sohrai art or Sohrai painting. So cattle are bathed, decorated with oil and like turmeric and worship. People sing traditional songs, dance together and enjoy delicious food. Everyone prays to Marang Guru, the great mountain spirit, for the prosperity, health and happiness. What is the cultural significance? Yes, there are a lot of significance. Like Sohrai is not just a festival, it is a celebration of the deep connecting between human, animal and nature. It is remind us to live in harmony with the earth and respect every form of life. So this was the little information about Sohrai, and so सभी को happy Sohrai. And if you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, as well as don't forget to follow my Facebook page. Then have a nice day.